What's wrong, Will?
Do you know how to upgrade the RAM in a computer?
Yeah, I do. What are you upgrading from and to?
Right now it's only 4G and it's really slow. When multitasking, I want to upgrade to 8G.
That's a good idea. Just make sure you check what type of RAM is compatible with your motherboard, usually DDR3 or DDR4.
Alright, I have to check that yet. Is it hard to install?
Not really, just turn off your computer, plug in it and insert the new RAM into the empty slot.
Oh, alright. I gave it a try. Thanks for your help, Najwa.
No problem. Good luck with the upgrade. Bye, Bill.
Thank you for watching.